This video is to pass along our discovery and use of a great product. This bridge solved a problem spanning a creek. I even considered finding a brass version for its ruggedness, but couldn't find anything quite like this in a plastic bridge. And the cost for this finely detailed, ready-to-install bridge was only around $30, so I bought two. The second is a spare if something happens to this one. Things do break sometimes. This was an expansion area of our HO scale layout. This scene is in its early days of creating the overall scenic look. This 72-foot plate girder bridge has small registration plates molded on every tie to position the rails that you supply. It seems perfect for Code 83 rail. The inner guardrails are a shorter Code 70 size, so that they aren't scrubbed by a track cleaner. The guardrails should always remain rusty on top, so being shorter helps. I gave the metal decking an airbrush dusting of a rust color. The rust streaks are on the deck girder sides as well. This viewing angle really shows how this bridge enhanced the scene, and yet without dominating it. Crossing the creek at an odd angle seems to make the scene look more expansive. You will notice some details such as the small interlocking tower that were added somewhat later than these run-by scenes. Here's a picture of the packaging so you can spot it at a local hobby shop or in online shopping. This is how the installation began on this layout expansion. The creek will soon be lengthened. I use the 1-inch wide MDF baseboard molding strips to help mark curves and create easements. I clamped this length since the bridge can't be part of the curvature. These are the concrete abutments the bridge will sit on. They are made from poplar wood that is both affordable and a fairly strong hardwood. The holes are for registration and alignment pins I added to the bottom of the bridge itself. The abutments can assume any logical shape to support the creek's embankment contours. Leftover pieces of poplar wood are pieced together to fill voids where a roadbed will be installed later. All these cavities will be filled in with more gray Homasote board chunks. I used liquid nails mostly as a scenic bonding agent. One of the benefits of having your own gym is access to lots of weights to weigh things down when bonding and gluing. Oh, make good use of a level so your track has no surprises. So here it is, all filled in with a hand-smeared-on coating of liquid nails to seal things in. This makes a watertight seal, and it keeps the material from swelling in spots from any latex paint or scenic cement to hold the track ballast later on. So here's the first train to cross this creek. This bare scene could become a desolate desert scene or a lush country woodland area as you like it. The most fragile part of the plastic bridge would be the little vertical posts to hold the safety cables. I added these steel pins cut from a length of piano wire. They act as nearly invisible protective blockers if a derail happens before a locomotive or car enters either end of the bridge. These views show better detail of the rails and inner guardrails. They are carefully glued using a thin CA glue. So here's a partly finished scenery view with a train pulled by a pair of Sacramento Northern F3 diesels wearing Western Pacific colors. The first four cars are contemporary, ready-to-run models. All the other cars are either scratch-built, fully detailed Athearn blue box kits, or early 1950s metal kits from, again, Athearn, and also Varney. The tank cars are reworked old Varney kits. All these cars are in abundant supply and sold off in collections and available in online sales. Our DVDs on model railroading show how to exploit this vast availability of old models to rework into exceptional models. The DVDs also feature building structures, and also they bring printable plans and templates to aid in construction. Visit our website to see over 50 DVD titles that can help and influence your model railroad adventures. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and click the like button to help us provide more material for you. Look for this and many other DVD videos on our website covering rail topics of steam, diesel, plus electric, interurban, and streetcar systems from the past. From our archive and other resources, we use old film never seen before to create these productions, bringing history and beautiful scenes that you can no longer see. This is the homepage of our website. The numerous videos are on a number of pages, and in most cases, clicking on a DVD cover face will reveal a preview video for viewing. Thank you for watching.